Introduction to culture.
Culture is, in the words of E.B. Taylor, that complex whole which includes knowledge, belief, art, morals, law, custom, and any other capabilities and habits acquired by man as a member of society. Alternatively, in a contemporary variant, culture is defined as a social domain that emphasizes the practices and material expressions which over time express the continuities and discontinuities of social meaning of a life held in common. In the humanities, one sense of culture as an attribute of the individual have been the degree to which they have cultivated a particular level of sophistication in the arts, sciences, education, or manners. The level of culture, sophistication has also sometimes been seen to distinguish civilizations from less complex societies. Such hierarchical perspectives on culture are also found in class based distinctions between a high culture of the social elite and a low culture, popular culture or folk culture of the lower classes, distinguished by the satisfied access to cultural capital. In common parlance, culture is often used to refer specifically to the symbolic markers used by ethnic groups to distinguish themselves visibly from each other, such as body modification, clothing, or jewelry. Mass culture refers to the mass produced and mass mediated forms of consumer culture that emerged in the 20th century.
Study of culture is integral part of sociology. Culture determines behavior. Theories regarding culture explain about relation between culture and social development. Cultural change can be change the society. Cultural factors can be affect or influence health status of individuals and society. Nurses need to deep knowledge of culture to rehabilitation of the patients. Look at this, different types of culture displayed by different parts of society. Global culture. What is mean by culture? The word culture derived from Latin cultura, means cultivate. So this word not only used in sociology, also used in other fields such as agriculture, which means growth of plant. In sociology, study of culture means growth of behavior. Can you define culture? Culture is that complex whole which includes knowledge, belief, art, moral, law, custom, any other capabilities acquired by man as a member of society. Pattern of behavior. Culture may be defined as the pattern of behavior which is determined by the material and non-material cultural traits.
According to B. Malinsky, culture is the handwork of man and the medium through which he achieves his ends. According to H.T. Sumter, culture is the sum total of human achievement, material as well as non-material, capable of transmission. Sociologically, that is by tradition and communication, vertically as well as horizontally. According to McCleaver, culture is the expression of our nature in our modes of living and our thinking, intercourse in our literature, in religion, in recreation and enjoyment. According to Lundberg, cultures refers to the social mechanism of behavior and to the physical and symbolic products of these behaviors. According to S. Queini, culture is the sum total of man's efforts to adjust himself to his environment and to improve his modes of living. Thank you. Have a nice day.